Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of newborn care. Whether you're a new parent or just curious about the essentials, you're in the right place. Have you ever asked yourself how to manage playing and the effect of playing of your lovely kid? You're in the right place. Playing and stimulating development. Find out how to engage in play activities that stimulate your baby's development. From age-appropriate toys to simple interactions, we'll show you effective ways to promote cognitive and motor development. Promoting cognitive and motor development in newborns and young children involves engaging activities that stimulate their senses, encourage exploration, and provide opportunities for learning. Here are effective ways to support cognitive and motor development in newborns and kids. For newborns, 0-3 months, provide visual stimulation. Hang colorful, high-contrast mobiles or images in the baby's line of sight to encourage visual tracking. Tummy time. Incorporate short sessions of supervised tummy time to strengthen neck and upper body muscles. Talk and sing. Engage in gentle, soothing conversations with your baby, and sing lullabies to foster language development. Offer gentle touch. Provide gentle massages or skin-to-skin contact to promote a sense of security and bonding. Use soft toys and textures. Introduce soft, textured toys for sensory exploration. For infants, 4-6 months, encourage reaching and grasping. Place toys just out of reach to encourage reaching and grasping movements. Interactive play. Play peekaboo and other interactive games to promote social and emotional development. Mirror play. Use baby-safe mirrors to allow infants to explore their own reflections. Provide safe, multi-sensory toys. Offer toys with different textures, colors, and sounds to stimulate various senses. For babies, 7-12 months, crawling and exploration. Create a safe space for crawling and exploration to strengthen motor skills. Introduction to solid foods. Introduce age-appropriate solid foods to encourage hand-eye coordination and self-feeding. Reading together. Read board books with colorful pictures and textures to support language development. Stacking and nesting toys. Provide toys that allow for stacking and nesting to enhance fine motor skills. Encourage independent sitting. Support your baby as they learn to sit independently to improve core strength. For toddlers, 1-3 years, art and craft activities. Engage in age-appropriate art and craft activities to promote creativity and fine motor skills. Outdoor play. Encourage outdoor play to develop gross motor skills, coordination, and spatial awareness. Puzzle play. Introduce simple puzzles to enhance problem-solving skills and hand-eye coordination. Role play. Provide props for imaginative play, fostering creativity and social development. Building blocks. Use building blocks and construction toys to promote spatial awareness and fine motor skills. General tips. Limit screen time. Minimize screen time for young children, as excessive exposure may interfere with cognitive and motor development. Promote healthy sleep. Ensure that your child gets adequate, age-appropriate sleep to support overall development. Encourage exploration. Allow children to explore their surroundings and engage in age-appropriate challenges. Provide positive reinforcement. Offer positive reinforcement and praise for achievements, encouraging a positive attitude towards learning. Model behavior. Be a positive role model by demonstrating curiosity, problem-solving, and a love for learning. Remember that children develop at their own pace, and it's essential to provide a supportive and nurturing environment. Consult with your pediatrician for personalized advice and developmental milestones specific to your child's age and needs. We hope this guide provides valuable insights and helps you navigate the early days of parenthood. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today. Please keep in touch with this channel, and until next time, happy parenting.